If you're experiencing an installation loop on your Steam Deck, follow these steps to troubleshoot and resolve the issue. This guide will help you get your device back on track. Step 1. Power cycle the device. Turn off your Steam Deck completely by holding down the power button until it shuts down. Wait for about 30 seconds, then turn it back on to see if the installation loop persists. Step 2. Access recovery mode. While the Steam Deck is booting up, press and hold the volume down button until the BIOS menu appears. From there, select the recovery mode option to access recovery tools. Step 3. Reinstall the operating system. In recovery mode, choose the option to reinstall the Steam OS. This will download the latest version of the operating system and replace any corrupted files that may be causing the loop. Step 4. Check storage space. Once the operating system is reinstalled, check the available storage space. If the storage is nearly full, it may cause installation issues. Delete unnecessary files or games to free up space. Step 5. Update firmware. After confirming that the operating system is functioning correctly, go to the settings menu and check for any firmware updates. Keeping your device updated can prevent future installation problems. If you follow these steps and still encounter issues, consider reaching out to Steam support for further assistance.